Remember those infomercials promising effortless weight loss? I usually roll my eyes, but this chair yoga thing actually intrigued me. I'm talking about the Gaiam Chair Yoga Kit. Gaiam claims it's a gentle way to tone muscles and lose weight, all while seated. Honestly, I've been struggling with lower back pain, making traditional exercise difficult. I was hoping this would be a low-impact way to stay active. The kit includes an inflatable stability ball that sits in a frame, along with resistance bands and an instructional DVD. The idea is that the ball engages your core, even while you're sitting. I noticed my posture improved almost immediately. The resistance bands add a bit of challenge for arms and legs. What surprised me was how much I actually felt it the next day. It's not a super intense workout, but it definitely works muscles you might neglect. The DVD is, well, it's a DVD. A bit dated, but the instructor is clear and easy to follow. I read a few online reviews before trying it. Some people found the ball uncomfortable at first, needing time to adjust. Others loved that it helped them stay active while working at a desk. A few people wish there were more advanced workout options. This kit is perfect for anyone with limited mobility, seniors, or those just starting their fitness journey. It might not be challenging enough for hardcore fitness enthusiasts. Also, inflating the ball to the right, firmness took a little experimenting. My final verdict? It's a surprisingly effective and gentle way to add movement to your day. It's not a miracle cure for weight loss, but it's a solid tool for improving posture, toning muscles, and staying active. What are your experiences with chair yoga or low-impact fitness?